Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 15th of September. And first of all, national news. Putin and PM Modi to meet on Friday. Trade and saturation of Indian market with Russian fertilizers will be on agenda. On 14th of September, Railways shared stunning photos of Chenab Bridge, world's highest rail bridge. US has very close defense ties with India, says Pentagon. Record heat increased vulnerability of half of Delhi's population, a report said. As Gujarat got $20 billion chip factory, Maharashtra minister talked of PM's assurance. Aditya Thackeray versus Team Shinde over $20 billion plant in Gujarat. Aviation regulator resumed breath analyzer test for pilots, cabin crew. India rejected unwarranted references to Jammu and Kashmir by Islamic Nations group. 10-hour flight. PM presence. India is bringing back extinct cheetahs. The cheetahs, 5 females and 3 males, will arrive in special plane from Namibia. Lumpy skin diseases terrifies farmers. Rajasthan worst hit. President Draupadi Murmu will be visiting London from September 17 to 19 to offer condolences on behalf of the Government of India. And now international news. King Charles may distribute patronages among royal family. Google loses appeal against EU's record. Antitrust fine gets it slashed. Sanctions on Russia to stay, says European Union chief. Xi Jinping arrived in Kazakhstan, his first foreign trip since COVID pandemic. All flights at Shanghai airports cancelled as typhoon nears. Queen Elizabeth's funeral will take place on September 19 at Westminster Abbey. Google Meta fined over $71 million in South Korea over privacy violations. Mountain glacier collapsed amid high temperatures in Chile. And now news related to sports. Saurav Ganguly, Jay Shah can have BCCI term 2 after Supreme Court order. Bangladesh announced squad for ICC T20 World Cup 2022. Shakib Al Hassan to lead. ICC T20 rankings, Virat Kohli jumped to 15th, Surya Kumar Yadav 4th. Cabinet nod for signing of guarantees for FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup. T20 International second, Smriti Mandhana guided India to series leveling 8-wicket win over England. Now news related to business. Sensex ends lower but recovered some losses to remain above 60,000 level. Rupee recovered some early losses but ends weaker against King Dollar. Bank of Baroda raised interest rates on deposits below rupees 2 crore. Trade deficit widened to $27.98 billion last month. Trade Ministry. Byju's posted gross revenue of rupees 100 billion in 2021 to 22. Wholesale price inflation eased to 12.41% in August. India narrowed thermal coal imports gap with top buyer China. Now news related to science. NASA updated Eye in the Solar System website lets user explore outer space from home. James Webb Space Telescope captured Orion Nebula and its young hot massive stars. Endangered status sought for snail near Nevada lithium mine. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.